and welcome back. I'm Judy Copenbarger. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many people don't want to talk about and very few people understand. We're going to take a look at the benefits of life insurance. At the end of our time together, you'll know whether life insurance is right for you or the people that you care about, like should you even own it. We'll discuss the real insurance issues and you'll gain a clear picture of the potential benefits. You'll also learn a few reasons that insurance may not be the best financial choice for you. So, Judy, should I own life insurance or not? A quick note before we begin. Life insurance isn't always a comfortable topic, but it is important to understand when we're planning our financial journey. I'd like to talk about it and remind you that it's about the people that we love and giving them the best life that we can. The first question is, what is life insurance? A life insurance policy is a contract between a policyholder and an insurance agency. You might have seen the memorable commercials all over the media for companies like Geico, State Farm, Allstate. Can you hear the jingles? Upon the policyholder's death, a benefit or a sum of money is paid out to the beneficiaries. Could be a group, could be a person chosen by the policyholder to receive that money. This is the death benefit. The policy costs are paid monthly or even annually, and these payments are called premiums. So how much does life insurance cost? Well, that's an answer that can vary widely. Different policies exist for every type of situation, and the cost of your premiums, the amount you pay, depends on which one you choose, how long it lasts, and what kind of a risk you are health-wise. Generally, policies are based on the policyholder's life situation and the amount of death benefit they want to qualify for. Age is a big factor. For example, because it affects the potential life expectancy of the policyholder and therefore the possibility of the benefit having to be paid out, it's going to cost more when you're older. So the younger you are, the healthier and safer your lifestyle is. Bungee jumping, the lower your premiums are likely to be. So it's recommended to get life insurance earlier in life if and when you can afford it. If you are older or have a health condition, that doesn't mean you can't benefit from having life insurance. The main benefit of life insurance for a family is that sum of money that improves the lives of those you care about after you're gone. Life insurance can also be a valuable tool for estate planning, for educational goals, and business succession planning. For a typical family, a $250,000 lump sum death benefit could be just enough to cover final expenses and ease the financial burden of a very difficult situation. While there are many different types of policies, there are two main kinds of life insurance. First, you have term life insurance. We call this temporary insurance. What is it? It's an insurance that covers a fixed term or a number of years, typically 10 years, 20 years, up to 30 years. Term life insurance is generally less expensive when you're younger, like in your 20s and in your 30s, but it will become more expensive to purchase the older you are. There are less people in each age pool as we get older, so the risks and costs are higher for those people. Term life insurance can be converted into permanent life insurance, which we'll cover next. What is whole life insurance or permanent life insurance? Whole life insurance covers the entire life of the policyholder. It is generally more expensive, but it offers the added benefit of a cash value. And cash value serves as a savings account for you that increases ideally over time, and the policyholder can withdraw funds or borrow against the policy later in time. It's designed to never expire until the insured person does. You can choose for an amount to be contributed to the cash value benefit after your premiums have been paid, so you can add to that cash value up to a certain point. This account is also tax deferred, and many features of permanent life insurance are even better at tax-free. Similar to an IRA account or a 401k, there are tax advantages to an insurance portfolio where appropriate. So wealthy families who pay estate taxes or those who want another tax-advantaged account can use the cash value benefit in this way. It's a great way to replace assets or avoid a liquidation of assets or property when someone passes away. Both whole and term life policies offer riders. Think of riders as a way to customize your plan, and usually you can expect an additional fee for an extra benefit. It's kind of like an add-on to your policy. One example is a long-term care rider for coverage of skilled nursing support costs in the future, and another is an exemption from paying premiums if the policyholder becomes disabled or ill and they can't work. It'll keep the policy from lapsing or going inactive when you really need it. Similar to investing, insurance is all about risk, the possibility of unforeseen life events, and being able to be prepared for those. Of course, life insurance isn't for everyone. Life insurance is especially important if you know that your loved ones are likely to experience financial hardship if you pass away. Situations that are appropriate for life insurance, such as parents with young children, adults who have invested in property together, and older folks who just want to cover the cost of a funeral, these are all great reasons to have a death benefit in place. Even corporations can create life insurance policies for their key employees, all to prepare for unexpected loss. Deciding if life insurance is right for you takes looking at your financial situation and seeking out the help of an insurance pro. If you're a prudent shopper, you can get premiums and a benefit that is appropriate for your needs. If you need to contact an agency for life insurance quotes, they'll be happy to help you with that. They will ask you a particular list of questions about your lifestyle, like if you enjoy skydiving or bungee jumping from time to time, if you're a diver, if you're a smoker. Take your time. This is not a process you want to rush, because the difference, if you don't answer all the questions correctly and fully, could be thousands of dollars throughout your lifetime. Remember that an insurance policy is only as good as the company that issues it. It's a contract. If the company can't pay your beneficiaries, they might be out of luck. So choose an agency, choose a company with a good track record and a great rating. Some plans are flexible, and you can always buy more coverage if you're insurable. So be sure to reevaluate your needs after major life events such as marriage, divorce, the birth of a child, a major purchase, a business partnership. So now that we've covered the benefits, I'd like you to think just a little bit about the downsides, maybe why life insurance might not be right for you. If you are young and healthy and your lifestyle is generally low risk, life insurance may not be the best possible investment for you. We talk about investing from step 1 in another video I recommend you watch after this. It's called Wealth Accumulation Mastery, the not-so-secret path to money. You might choose to take advantage of things like compound interest, dividend stocks, or retirement accounts. You have time to make these decisions and also grow a sum of money without paying premiums, and that might be wise for you. If you're single and nobody relies on you financially, then life insurance could end up a waste of your hard-earned money. It can also be about peace of mind, and that has its value. I believe there's a benefit to talking about life insurance, even if it's not a comfortable topic. And it's the fact that we get a chance to look at the reality of life and decide what's truly important. That's why we bother improving our financial lives at all. We want to improve our home life and the lives of those that we love. So take the time to consider this life insurance as part of your financial strategy and make your best decision. It's been a pleasure sharing with you today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and share this video with someone that you'd like to help. For more on personal finance, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates on the latest videos. Be sure to join me next time. Until then, I'm Judy Copenbarger, and God bless.